climb up under here. Take a look at what we got. Through there, I see it. See right through there. See it's held on. Okay, there we go. That's in there. Let me see if I can get the best angle at this. Universal. And we gotta get that bolt. It's coming forward though. Looks like I might have to. Let's see. Can we see our bolts? Dang it! I'll bolt. Get those nuts out of there. Right back. All right. Looking through here, I can see one. Another 8mm. Dang it! Be right back. Go over here to the last one. There we go. Things set up. Yeah, it'll go in. It'll go in. So I drop it down.